Join me as I dive into the latest Riot stock update and try to predict what's next for this wild ride. Riot Blockchain is a company that's been making waves in the cryptocurrency market, specifically in the Bitcoin mining space. They're one of the largest Bitcoin miners in the US, and their stock has been a popular pick among investors looking to get into the crypto space. If you're interested in cryptocurrency, you should definitely care about what's happening with Riot stock. The current challenges facing Riot stock are pretty significant. Market volatility is a huge issue, as the price of Bitcoin can fluctuate wildly, impacting Riot's revenue. Regulatory concerns are also a major worry, as governments around the world are still figuring out how to handle cryptocurrency. Additionally, the cost of mining Bitcoin is increasing, which could eat into Riot's profits. And let's not forget the competition. There are many other Bitcoin mining companies out there, all vying for market share. Another challenge Riot faces is the environmental impact of their mining operations. As more people become concerned about climate change, companies like Riot are under pressure to reduce their carbon footprint. They're going to have to invest in more sustainable practices, which could be costly. The high energy costs associated with Bitcoin mining are a significant burden on Riot's bottom line. The company is also dealing with issues related to their equipment and infrastructure. They need to constantly upgrade their mining rigs to stay competitive, which can be expensive. And if their equipment breaks down or becomes obsolete, that could impact their ability to mine Bitcoin efficiently. Recent financial results have shown that Riot is still a major player in the Bitcoin mining space. They've been reporting significant revenue growth, and their latest earnings report was pretty impressive. They're also working on some exciting new projects, like expanding their mining operations and exploring new technologies. Market trends are also looking good, with more and more investors getting into cryptocurrency. One trend that's worth watching is the increasing institutional investment in cryptocurrency. As more big players get into the market, it's likely to drive up demand for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This could be a major boost for Riot, as they'll be well positioned to take advantage of the growing demand. Major developments are also on the horizon for Riot. They've been making some significant investments in their infrastructure, which should help them increase their mining capacity. They're also exploring new technologies, like more efficient mining equipment, which could give them a competitive edge. Any major breakthroughs in these areas could be a turning point for Riot stock. In terms of upcoming projects, Riot has been working on some exciting initiatives. They're expanding their mining operations, which should help them increase their revenue. They're also exploring new technologies, like more efficient mining equipment, which could give them a competitive edge. All these developments could have a significant impact on Riot's future. To recap, we've covered the current state of Riot stock, including the challenges they're facing and the opportunities ahead. We've also looked at their recent financial results and upcoming projects. The future of Riot stock is looking bright, but there are definitely some risks to consider. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Riot stock in the comments. What do you think is going to happen next? Check out my previous video on cryptocurrency trends for more insights into the market. Thanks for watching.